Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Insight versus Toyota Crown. The Insight offers exceptional fuel economy in a compact hybrid package, perfect for daily commuting. Conversely, the Crown provides a more luxurious experience with powerful engine options and advanced technology. We will explore their key differences in performance, interior, and overall value to help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs and lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Honda Insight excels in fuel economy, often achieving over 50 miles per gallon combined. Its hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, efficient acceleration. The Toyota Crown, however, offers significantly more horsepower, frequently exceeding 300, with a focus on a more dynamic and powerful driving experience, often including all-wheel drive. Inside, the Insight offers a practical, comfortable cabin with user-friendly technology and good cargo space. The Crown elevates the experience with a premium interior, larger screens, and advanced driver assistance features. Price-wise, the Insight typically starts around $26,000, while the Crown, being a luxury vehicle, begins closer to $40,000. So which car is better? If your priority is outstanding fuel economy, a reliable hybrid system, and a practical compact sedan, the Honda Insight is an excellent choice. However, if you seek a luxurious interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Toyota Crown offers a more premium, powerful ride. For those seeking a blend of luxury and performance, the Crown is an excellent choice. And speaking of excellent choices, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.